Hi, Creative Sarah here, ready for a fun summer project. First, we're going to use some surface wax and we're going to wax the front of our foam core board pennant banner. This is a kind of a papery surface, and so we want to wax it. It protects both your surface and your transfer. It's sticky like a sticker, so we're going to fuzz it so that it's not super sticky, and then we're going to lay it in place perfectly. Now I'm using 4 beautiful colors. They are Raspberry Sorbet on the left, Sunset Drive, Bumblebee, and Couture Teal on the right. I'm going to use a variety of different tools. I have my mini squeegee. I am going to use my little tiny detail tool right here. And then the last tool that I'm using is our multi-tool. All different size squeegees to add chalk onto your silkscreen design. So I'm just scraping or squeegeeing the chalk through the silkscreen very easily. And you're going to see this beautiful design come to life when I am completely done. Here I'm just adding the bumblebee, and we should be done in 2 seconds. Voila, look at that. Now it's the peel to reveal, and you guys are going to love this. If you're new, by the way, comment VIP so I can get you into my free group. Look how cute that is. Now we're going to dry that with our quick dry tool. If you would like to try out a sample of this, go ahead and comment sample. There is a link in my bio. You can grab it all there. Otherwise, keep on watching for more ideas and inspiration, and of course, insider information. Right now, I am stringing about 4 pieces of jute, that teal jute through the holes there, and I'm just going to tie a big knot, and then I'm going to fray the ends. It's super cute when it's done, and you've got this little hanging summer sign. I love it. It would be cute as a doorknob sign. It would also be cute anywhere on your desk, in an office, in your camper, wherever you like to celebrate summer. All right, you guys, check out CreativeSarah.com for more information, and I'll see you next time.